Hello guys, how are you doing? Hey, I hope you are going doing well. And we are going to continue in the different ways. Yep, with the activities of our shaping language during this week. So remember that we are going to fix different sentences, different points that we did the last week. And we are going to continue this part with the following graphic organizer. The idea is to write a paragraph coherently and with the correct cohesion. Yeah, so we are going to follow different steps. We are going to follow 6 steps. The first one is going to be the brainstorm. That is a graphic organizer like a mind map or a concept map, just including the most important words of a text, of a topic, or something like that. In the second step, we are going to do an outline. It is a list of all the ideas about that topic or that text or that story. When you complete the different sentences, you are going to complete the second step. It is not needed to be or to have the follow like the connection of each one of the sentences, but it is going to be just sentences. But in the third step, that is organizing, yeah, you are going to organize your ideas. We are going to clarify that graphic organizer in the class. Yep, when we organize our sentences, we are going to go to the step number 4. That is to build your text according to the topic sentence, supporting ideas, and the conclusions for a paragraph. We are going to go with the different paragraph according to a text, according to a topic, according to a huge thematic in the world, in the social cultural context. Yep, in the step number 5, we are going to revise and check the grammar, the coherent, and the cohesion, yep, of another person. I mean, you are going to assess, you are going to evaluate your partner's texts. Yep, when you are going, when you do that, we go to the past, to the previous one, because in that building text we are going to check again our topic, our own text, and we are going to go to the step number 6. That's going to present, expose, or perform. So we are going to include it here. We are going to go with a virtual blog that I'm going to expose to you in the class, and you are going to upload your text correctly, and you're going to check and you're going to receive different comments of another classmates. Then, when we are going to go with the shaping language, we go with the page 48. So just the points number 2, that is, go to your printed awesome reader and writer and read the story of history. Choose 6 words you want to remember. Write the words in the boxes and a sentence for each word next to it. So here you are going to write 6 words and here one sentence using that word that you wrote here. Then on page 49 you're going to go only with that point. The point 6, that is, listen to the track and read the statements here. Good. Write T for true sentence or F for false. Compare your answers with a classmate and correct the false statements. Then you're going to tell me if it is true or if it is false. Then on page 50 you're going to go with that story or that text, that is the skeleton from Alaska. So you are going to read it, we are going to verify if they are different words or complicated words that you can understand better. Yep, when you have this, you go to the point number 2. Read the skeleton from Alaska and underline all the plural words you can find. Classify them into regular and irregular plural nouns. Yeah, we are going to verify that topic. On page 51, we're going to go with this. The point number 6. Hey, listen to the conversation between two friends. Yep, about a different theory of where the first American came from. Complete the text using the information you heard. Yep, the other file is going to be called The First American Came from Australia. So when you listen to it, you're going to complete those different sentences by using the words that you heard in the video and in the audio. Good. Then we go to the page 52. We go to recent findings on First Americans. We are going to complete it. We are going to read it. We are going to analyze it. But the idea here that you try to pronounce the words accurately with the correct pronunciation here. Yep, only this. Finally, we hope on page 53, we are going to go with that language key to use the verb to be in the past simple. Yep, and we are going to add different verbs, action verbs, and we are going to recognize the topic of the verbs, the regular verbs and irregular verbs, in order to use them in a specific sentence. Good. Okay, guys, that is the hopefully activity that we're going to do in this week. Okay, guys, remember that on my own it is going to be completed since this Monday, because it is going to be applied and it is going to be explained in class about the flipped that I told you before, but we didn't do it because different situations of conversations for universities, yeah, from 11th graders. But this week we are going to do the flipped video according to the one reading book that you chose in the platform. Okay, guys, see you next class. Bye bye.